We will learn the diagnostic criteria for chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyradiculoneuropathy, that is CIDP. In books we learn only about AIDP, but today we will learn about the diagnostic criteria for CIDP. In mandatory clinical criteria, we have the three ones. That is, there should be, what is the duration? That is a 2 month. That is progressive or relapsing muscle weakness for 2 months. It should be symmetrical, proximal and distal in upper or lower extremities. Hyporeflexia or areflexia. So what is the mandatory thing? Mandatory thing is duration and symmetrical, proximal and distal, and hypo or areflexia. Mandatory lab criteria is that NCS, it should show the features of demyelination, motor nerve conduction that less than 70% of lower limit of normal. CSF, protein should be more than 45 and cell count should be less than 10, and sural nerve biopsy with features of demyelination and remyelination, that is onion bulb appearance, including myelinating fibers, loss and perivascular inflammation. What is a mandatory exclusion criteria? That is the evidence of relevant systemic disease. Any systemic disease, family history of neuropathy, nerve biopsy finding incompatible with diagnosis. These are the important exclusion criteria. So diagnostic categories on the basis of above criteria, it is definite, probable and possible. What is a definite CIDP? That is mandatory inclusion and exclusion and all the laboratory criteria, and probable CIDP, mandatory inclusion and exclusion and 2 of the 3 lab criteria. What is the 3 lab criteria? On the basis of NCS, CSF and sural nerve biopsy. And possible is mandatory inclusion and exclusion with 1 of the 3 lab criteria.